Hi everyone! Today I want to share my experience with the Pixie Pro white noise sound machine from FamiSym. I bought this for myself and also my son that has a hard time sleeping without noise, and it has been a great addition to our sleep routine. So this sound machine offers 34 high-fidelity sounds including white noise, ocean waves, and gentle rain, which are my favorites. It has a built-in night light with adjustable brightness and various colors, perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere in any room. One of the standout features is the Wi-Fi capability and smartphone app control. So let me show you how it is easy to use the app. Alright friends, now I'm going to show you quickly what the app can do. So right now this is 100%. Now if I want to turn it down to 1%, you don't see light now. So I'm going to go through the light again, 100%. Now with the sound, we're using white noise sound. Then let's go to 63% sound. Now we go to 100%. Now let's lower that down right there. So you can have here favorites. These are the favorites. Let's play the favorites. The brown noise. Now light rain. Cricket. That's called summer night. And right here we have the bamboo chime. And this one is the brock. And ocean waves. And I picked this one. This is the bird song, which I like, and also this one I like. Rain on banana. Right here, rain on banana. Now let's go back to the bird song. Now the lighting, friends, let's see here. Let's turn the lighting on. That's what I picked for my favorite light. So you can choose whatever you like here, just like the rainbow. It changes quickly. See that colors right there? That's the rainbow one. Rainbow 2. That's slowly changing. Then the sunrise. That's a sunrise light. And you can change the colors. In here, there's also the sun colors right here. Right here, the sun colors. You can adjust it into that. That's the sun colors. Then we'll do special blinking. So I like the color that I chose earlier, which is that color. Then you have the sound type. So let's start with nature 1. We'll start with the wind. That's what the wind sound like. Nature 2, this is the cafe ambience. Now let's go to object. White noise. Now let's do sleep noise. Heartbeat. As you can see, the app allows me to easily customize everything from the sound to the light settings even when I'm not in the same room. Overall, friends, this Pixie Pro has greatly improved our sleep quality. It is easy to use and offers great value for the price. This is what it looked like here when you do it manually for the volume to do 100%. Then we'll lower it down here. So we'll just go 54% volume. Then if you want the light to go all the way down, that's it. And if you want a light to 100%, raise it higher. There you go. Change the color right here. Alright, turn it off and on. Change the light color right there. And then I want the blue. And pause and play. Pause. Then you want to play. Right there. And then if you go here in the back, you can see the different sounds right here. You could take the sound away, and then you can also do that, change it, different sounds. And here, different sounds. And these are all the things in the manual too. This is where you connect your Wi-Fi. I highly recommend this product for anyone looking for a reliable sound machine. It is also perfect for parents with kids of all ages. Thank you for watching my review today. If you're interested in the Pixie Pro white noise sound machine, definitely check it out. It's been helpful for me and I love it, and I think you'll love it too. See you in my next video. Bye!